Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel today for a new shoe unboxing. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like my content. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok as well. The username is just @Gallucks. If you follow my channel for a while, you know that my feelings towards tabi shoes have been up and down over the years. My one complaint, I guess, about the tabi boots that I tried a few years ago is that the sole was very, very thin. I don't have a thin sole on any of my shoes. It kind of like puts me off, only because a lot of my trousers have like quite a lot of volume and I like to feel like elevated off the ground. And yeah, I just felt like the tabi boots sole was too thin. So when I saw these loafers online, I was like, okay, I absolutely love these, because I've always been intrigued by the toe split. But never had a pair that had like a thicker sole that would kind of go with the rest of my wardrobe. So now I have. And also, like, I've been wearing, I only really have one smart shoe in my wardrobe, and that is a Balenciaga derby, croc derby, which are very chunky and have like a giant toe box, but they're very rounded. And I love them to pieces, but they don't always go with everything. Whereas these tabi loafers are a bit more elegant, I would say, and I don't really have anything that elegant in my wardrobe at the moment, so they're like a perfect addition, filling a gap in my wardrobe. But obviously I'm going to wear them casually as well, like I'm not just going to wear them with smarter outfits. I was thinking of doing a 24 hours in them as well, because I've actually posted an unboxing on Reels and TikTok, and there's been a lot of discussion in the comments on both. I remember someone saying the design was so impractical on TikTok, and it's like, they're based off a Japanese sock and shoe from the 15th century. It's like, I don't think something from the 15th century would be still being made today if it was that impractical, if you know what I mean. So I think that just kind of like counters that argument straight away. Someone said you can only wear the tabi socks with them, which is true, but you can wear the tabi socks with every single shoe. So I feel like if you have a few pairs of tabi socks, you can wear them with all your other shoes as well. Some people just don't like the toe split, which is absolutely fine. I think I, in the past, didn't, but now I do. So yeah, it's funny how you say one thing like 3 years ago and people still remember it on Instagram. People like commenting like, I thought you hated these. I was like, I like the idea, I didn't like the sole, okay? So yeah, let's unbox these. It's really cute actually, well actually quite smart. A lot of the Margiela products at the moment are fitted with a tag that you can read with your smartphone to guarantee authenticity. A lot of the times, like leather bags from luxury brands will have like a code somewhere inside that will guarantee its authenticity. Sometimes they're really hard to find, but you can, a lot of them have it. But yeah, Margiela is doing this where they're like tagging their items with things that can be read from your smartphone, which is really cool. So here they are in all their glory. So I'm just going to read you what's on the Margiela website. Crafted from brushed calf skin, the chunky cleated sole loafers feature the tabi split toe, inspired by the traditional 15th century Japanese sock bearing the same name. Launched for the Maison's debut collection in 1989, it captures the avant-garde and insubordinate spirit of the Maison and exists as a heritage classic continually explored through each collection. I have put links in the description where you can get these from all different kinds of stores at the moment that have them. One thing that came up was saying, people were saying are they uncomfortable. Now, okay, I'm yet to wear these out for a full day. I'm actually going to wear them out tonight to go to an event with my friend and then for dinner, so I'll know a little bit. but if you want me to do like a whole video on wearing them for the day, then I can do that. I think what's interesting to note, because someone said on Instagram, on my Instagram reel, they were like, are they not uncomfortable? Like, does it not hurt where the split is? And if you actually look carefully, where the brushed calf skin meets here, where the toe split is, there's actually a panel of really soft leather either side. Actually, there's no like sharp piece of leather in between. It's a very soft piece of leather that like protects the toe split, if you know what I mean. And then you just kind of have the like classic loafer shape with this piece of leather across the front. Like I said, they feel very kind of like elegant to me, but then have the twist with the tabi toe split. But then what sells it for me is the cleated sole. So as you can see here, the sole is, so in total height, the sole is roughly 2 centimeters, which is chunky enough for me. And then inside they're like a tan. I got these in a size 9. I do go between an 8 and a 9 usually, 42 and 43 European size. And I think because of the toe split, I just didn't want them to be too tight. So like I was saying earlier as well, the tabi socks that you have to wear with them. Margiela sell tabi socks as well, but I just got ones from Amazon because they were super cheap. I wanted to buy ones from Muji because apparently Muji sell really nice tabi socks, but they were sold out of my size. They did size 3 to 5.5, so I just got them from Amazon. I got the longer pairs, so you can see the little toe splits here. So that's for your big toe, and that's for the other 4. That's for your big toe, and that is for the other 4. So I've got some longer socks, but then I also got some ankle socks as well, in case I just didn't want to show any sock. If I'm wearing them in summer with shorts and stuff like that. But sometimes I do like a little preppy sock sticking out as well. Foot fans will be living their best life at the moment. So I think the Amazon tabi socks aren't the best quality because you can see like where the stitching is here, so it's making them look like a bit of a strange shape. But there's my big toe and there's my other 4 toes. And then they go perfectly into the shoe. Do you think with the thicker sole and the loafer, they're a bit more discreet as well? They're not as obviously tabi as the boots would be, if you know what I mean. So that is it for my tabi unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget I've linked places in the description box where you can pick these up if you are interested. I'd love to know your thoughts on these, and if you want me to do like a 24 hours in the tabi loafer video or a styling video. I will be putting more content using them on my Instagram and TikTok in the next few days, so make sure you follow along there. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.